A2A, Agent-to-Agent Interoperability. Here is your same structured beginner-friendly content for A2A, Agent-to-Agent Interoperability, Beginner Level, Introduction. A2A, Agent-to-Agent Interoperability, means allowing different AI agents to communicate, understand each other, and work together, even if they are built by different systems or organizations. In modern AI systems, we often have multiple agents such as chatbots, automation bots, trading agents, robotic systems, AI assistants. These agents may be created using different technologies, but they still need to exchange information and collaborate. A2A interoperability makes this possible. Examples include a customer service bot talking to a payment bot, a delivery AI communicating with a warehouse AI, smart home devices coordinating with each other, AI assistants integrating across apps. This concept is important for building connected AI ecosystems. What is A2A interoperability? A2A interoperability is the ability of different AI agents to communicate, share data, understand messages, coordinate actions. In simple words, A2A interoperability equals AI agents talking and working together seamlessly. Why A2A interoperability is important. Modern systems are not built as a single AI. Instead, they are distributed, built by different teams, running on different platforms. Without interoperability, agents cannot understand each other. Systems become isolated. Automation breaks. With interoperability, agents collaborate easily. Systems become scalable. Automation improves. Real-world workflows become efficient. Basic components of A2A interoperability. Component purpose. Communication protocols. Define how agents send messages. Data formats. Ensure shared understanding. JSON, XML. APIs. Enable interaction between systems. Identity and security. Verify agents and protect data. Message semantics. Ensure meaning is understood. Agent communication data message equals sender, agent A, receiver, agent B, task, process payment, amount, 100. This is how agents exchange structured information. Simple A2A communication example. Python. Def agent A, message equals request data, return message. Def agent B message. If message equals request data, return sending data. Response equals agent B, agent A, print response. This simulates communication between two agents. How A2A interoperability works. Step 1. Agent sends a message. Request equals get inventory status. Print agent A, request. Step 2. Message is standardized. Agents use common formats like JSON. Request equals action, get inventory. Step 3. Receiving agent understands the message. If request action equals get inventory, print processing request. Step 4. Agent responds. Response equals inventory 200, print GAT using APIs. Agents often communicate using APIs. Import requests. Response equals requests.get https api.example.com/data. Print response.status code. This shows how agents request data from other systems. A2A in task coordination. Agents coordinate tasks together. Tasks equals order, payment, delivery. For task in tasks, print, processing, task. Each agent may handle a different step. A2A in workflow automation. Example, e-commerce process. Order agent, payment agent, shipping agent order status equals confirmed. If order status equals confirmed, print trigger payment agent. A2A in multi-agent collaboration. Agents collaborate to complete goals. Agents equals planner, executor, monitor. For agent in agents, print agent is active. A2A in error handling. Agents must handle failures. Status equals failed. If status equals failed, print, retry, or notify another agent. Full menu-based A2A example. Def, send request. MS equals input, enter request, print, request sent. MSG, def, receive response. MSG equals input, enter response, print, response received. MSG, def, process task. Task equals input, enter task. While true, print, N1, send request. Print, 2, receive response. Print, 3, process task. Choice equals input, enter choice. If choice equals 1, send request. Elif choice equals 2, receive response. Elif choice equals 3, process task. Elif choice equals 4, break. Else, print invalid choice. Concepts learned from A2A Interoperability. Distributed AI systems, communication between agents, data standardization, API integration, workflow automation, system interoperability. Real-life analogy. A2A interoperability is like people speaking a common language in a team. If everyone speaks different languages means confusion. If everyone understands each other means smooth collaboration. Ways to improve an A2A project. Use REST APIs or GraphQL. Add message queues, Kafka, RabbitMQ. Implement real-time communication, WebSockets. Add authentication, OAuth, JWT. Use standard schemas, JSON schema. Implement event-driven systems. Add logging and monitoring. Use microservices architecture. Beginners make. Ignoring message format consistency. Not handling communication errors. Assuming all agents understand same data. Skipping security and authentication. Tight coupling between agents. Where A2A interoperability is used. AI ecosystems, smart homes, autonomous vehicles, e-commerce platforms, healthcare systems, financial systems, cloud services, IoT networks, enterprise automation. Simple definition. A2A, agent-to-agent, interoperability. The ability of AI agents to communicate, share information, and work together across systems. Final summary. A2A interoperability is essential for building connected AI systems where multiple agents collaborate effectively. It enables seamless communication, seamless automation, scalable systems, efficient workflows. By learning this, beginners understand how modern AI systems interact in real-world environments.